Hello, my name is Kamika Ruth Taylor. I'm a Jamaican entrepreneur and Amazon best-selling author of 20 books. This course is designed to help aspiring non-fiction authors who are on a tight budget to learn the secrets to publish on a budget so that you can get more of your books out and make your dream of publishing a reality. In this course, I'm going to give you my 7 tried and proven secrets to publish for less than $500 or less than $1,000 depending on the size of your book. When I started writing and publishing in 2014, my first book, which I wrote in 2014, and I signed up with a hybrid publishing company to publish my book, it cost me well over $5,000 to publish. And then when I added the printing of the books and I had a 2-day launch affair, I spent over $10,000 and I landed myself in debt. In Jamaican terms, that was $1.5 million in debt. And at the time, I was transitioning from being a full-time missionary to being an author. But experience teaches wisdom. I went on a search to find solutions. And in 2019 to 2020, I published 16 books. I went on a journey to write 20 manuscripts in 1 year because I wanted to have a total of 20 books for 2020. And I had already published 4 books, so I only needed another 16 to have 20 books for 2020. And so the last set of 16 books that I published was less than $5,000, which is less than what my first book cost me. I have helped many Caribbean authors, as you know, our economies are not the strongest economies, but we have a dream to publish. And I believe our stories need to be told, and there's a way to do it without breaking the bank. Self-publishing can cost anywhere from $1,000 to some people charging $12,000. This course is designed for those who have a dream and limited cash flow to learn how to get their books published without compromising quality. So thank you for doing this course and stick around to the end.